Hello everybody, this is Andrew, also known as NatureMan. I want to do a quick video on my propagating of my plants, or cloning. Propagating means you take a branch or a leaf off another plant and let it grow roots and stick it in a pot and grow it as a separate plant. It's cloning, or propagating a plant, and I'm doing the whole process here in my little desk in my room. See, that's my old vintage telephone right there. I'm doing with coleus, mint, and succulents. Here's my row of succulent leaves. You know, like cactus, yeah. They're little succulent leaves that I'm propagating. I wait a couple weeks, let them dry out, let them grow roots. But with other plants, you need to have them in water. As you know, they're desert plants, so they need to dry out to propagate, while others need to be in water. It's kind of nice propagating these. This is my already successfully propagated coleus. They've grown a whole bunch of roots while they're in the cup of water that I planted them. Now, if you're probably wondering what this yellow thing is, that's to catch gnats, like those little flies, because they're very pesky, so it's blurry, but so it's caught a few. Yeah, I propagated this coleus, stuck it in a thing of water. It grew roots after I clipped these off another plant, and voila. So yeah, I thought it was kind of neat. These are some that I'm currently propagating. These are just in a cup of water. Some other coleus clippings I'm currently trying to clone. I just clipped off another plant. Have them in water. These are my, they don't have any roots yet. I just stuck these, just put these mint plants in here like 2 days ago. They're little peppermint plants that I'm trying to propagate. And these are just a few other plants I'm keeping in here for now, because we have no more room downstairs, like this palm tree and these Norfolk Island pines. I won't bring those down until Christmas, and this, still deciding what I'm going to do with it. So you have my whole little process here of my propagating of succulents and coleus and mint. And, yeah, I think that was kind of neat. I'm going to bring you in here to our guest room, where we have nothing in here right now, just an air mattress. It's kind of dark out, it's nighttime. These are my successfully propagated succulents. I put these little yellow tags there to catch little gnats or little flies that live in my plants. So it's worked. They're pretty much gone now. I love this one. This is my propagated. Now this one right here, the original leaf died, but then had new growth. Love that. It's a new growth after the original leaf here died. Love that. So yeah, and it's doing very well. Love this. It's growing all new leaves. It has roots. And I don't plant them in the soil until they grow roots. I let them sit out. Yep. So that was very neat. Now, another thing on this plant, these are all cool, but then this little guy right here that I'm pointing at right now, right there, that little tiny little thing, that was actually attached to a bigger leaf, but its leaf died, so I cut the leaf back, and all that was left was this little new growth right here, this little guy that has just a little growth. That's all that was left. And so that took root, and yeah, because its original leaf died, so I just pruned it back, and that one's still there. And a pot of bigger succulents. Put that. And then, in the daytime, this guest room, full sun hits here in the morning, these have like direct sun for 4 or 5 hours, something like that, from like 8 a.m. until noon. Until the sun goes around the other side of the house in the afternoon. They get plenty of sun. I just watered them today for the first time in almost 3 weeks. You don't need to water them that often because they're succulents, like desert plants. I thought that was really neat. Well, this is NatureMan signing off. Hope y'all enjoyed my video, and you can try it yourself sometime. I'll do another video some other time soon on more details on how to propagate and steps. But for now, you could try it yourself. Not all plants can be propagated, only certain kinds can. Well, this is NatureMan signing off. Bye!